In this video, let me show you how to add timestamps and chapters to a YouTube video. So let's get started. First, go to the top right of YouTube and click on your profile icon. Then go to your YouTube studio. Next, on the left side, click on Content and find the video you want to add timestamps and chapters to. Once you've located the video, click on View on YouTube. In the video details section, scroll down to the description and start adding timestamps. For example, if you want to mark the start of the video as the intro, type 00 and intro. Decide when you want the next chapter to begin. For example, if you want it at 10 seconds into the video, type this and name it accordingly. Continue adding timestamps for different sections of the video as needed. For example, add 020 for the outro. Save your changes. Now, when you view the video, the timestamps and chapters will appear in the preview bar and also in the video description. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.